In this video, I'll show you how to create any kind of background colors in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Okay, now in Premiere Pro, let's say you want to create a background with a different color. So to do that, I will go to the project panel, then right click, go up to new item, and from there I'm gonna go down to color mate. I'll click on it, and this window will pop up in front of us where we can choose the video settings. In this case, I'll keep the same settings as the sequence, and then I'll click on OK. Now this color picker panel will jump in front of us, and from here we can select any color you would like the background to be. In this case, I'm gonna go down to, I don't know, what color should I go for? I like the yellowish, kind of like orange color, like dark yellow. This one, like gold color. Then I'll click on OK. From here we can choose any kind of name. I'm just gonna type down gold, and then I'll press enter. And as you can see now in the project panel, we've got the color mate layer. From here, I'm gonna grab it and drag it onto the shop floor. And then from here, you can extend it or you can shorten it. And as you can see, now the color is different. But now let's say you don't like how the color looks like. So what we can do, we can go to the layer and click twice with the left button of the mouse. And from here again, you can change the color. I'll go for kind of bright blue. I love bright blue. And there we go. Like that, you can create all kind of background colors in Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's super easy and simple. I hope you learned something new from this video, and if you did so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.